Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing some products that I got in a giveaway I won. It's from StarGirl BEAUTY and she has weekly giveaways. Now she gave me a challenge, kind of, for this. So, let's get into this and I'll tell you what she challenged me to. But anyways, this is a Tuxedo Ibuki Refining Moisturizer. And just looks like this. Then there is from Allure Pacific. It's a treatment enzyme peel. Excuse me. That's what it looks like. Next is from Hemish. It's an all clean balm. It's just a cleansing balm. Then there is from Tuxedo, and it's a Secret of Sahara Cream Anti-Gravity. Looks like. And then we just have a little sample thing here in a foil packet, and it's May Island 7 days highly concentrated hyaluronic ampule. Then there is from Super Aqua, it's a snail cleansing foam. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's from Misha, or Misha, however you say it. It's a Super Aqua snail cleansing foam. And this is another thing from Misha, and it's another Super Aqua line, and it's snail cream. Okay. And here's another little ampule. Then there is from Glow Recipe, it's the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. Then there is also from Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Okay, I think that's it for... Okay, there's also this Vitamin B12 double ampule. Where's this from? Nice. It's this. There's multiple steps. And then this is to do with the challenge. We got a bunch of masks, and she challenged me to do a mask every day and see the results for myself. And I'm gonna do this next month since I've been really busy with taking care of bottle baby kittens, and there's some other stuff that I want to do for October, so I'll do this in November. But the first one I have here is from Sephora, and it's the Rose Face Mask. Then from the Creme Shop, it's a Watermelon kombucha. I forgot how you say that, sorry. Fusion Sheet Mask, and that. And then there's another one that is the same one. Then there's this Pearl Sheet Mask from Misha, whatever. Then there is Derm Pearl White Mask. And another one from Derm. It's a peptide age prevention mask. Then there's, okay, something's still in here. Don't know what it is. I've just been from it sitting open. But anyways, this is from Leaders Insulation. Oh, I can't talk today. Daily Wonders Detox and Chill Charcoal Purifying Mask. Oh. And the hole is from Tigger. He likes messing with the paper towel roll. Then there's this Vita Light Beam Essential Mask from MetaHeal. Then there's this Charcoal Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask from IKEA. I don't know. Then another one from Derm, and it's a EGF Healing Mask. And then from The Cure, Honey Collagen Essence Mask. Then there's this Snail Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask, also from EKL, or however you say it. Then another from that brand is this Collagen Hydrating Essence Mask. And the cucumber one from them. And then some underarms brightening pad, One Step Body Brightening Pad. Anywhere you want to brighten, underarms, knee, elbow. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Cute little thing there. And it's from Celimax. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.